share Opemsuo a tip on our on Facebook. Now, Ghana football. Ebe yi ni kwame.
Asama na obisa mi.
On say how debiam war with kanifo mo mamu say e toda ye nim e bra e won say free stage ne so. On say at times you can be the best dancer. Asano betimi anima sa achen obia. Nemum e bra o free stage ne so no. Senya e bra na uwo upika. Wo kai ebeden pa. And the thought I'm going say he who laughs last laughs the longest. So the one best reaction to one kai was sitting now yet. O sere no. And they cat Edwin Simon Okraku. Obano debia meka metna a lot of platforms so na meka say uwe onom airplane e kama say ono no agina baby a say to aba ne mana obetima be san egudie nu semeren e de amai because now we onom airplane the lives of Amanda ko Clinton meka the first time no na uwe na na onponsanom uwe even George Afriye mpoa. I can George Afriye for Fred Papo no. All the Fred Papo has been with the FA. At the top there, he has been there. George Afriye is the vice president of the Ghana Football World Association. And if people want man near football, yes, I bet to be na enkoye na nyame adom na after a nice expose. Your person go a new direction no. And also making sure that there's somebody up. The past administration no need the top over there. Now yes still no football no know how the football is being governed in this country. And now where Keta he has been somebody now where how another FA Cup no was here no why the camera not some of us no we campaigned for him because we thought with that one no. Now where the campaign promises say Oba no be creating wealth for all. I'm a football no abede kraba no. And let's go in for that man for him to come and do what? Change our football for us. And the time of winning the first time or buying them, never near Pelquam, Ghana for when we say, oh, boy, even half of Nema or promise the
game changer.
The game changer, say, or because say, always send the Amawa. Everything miracle for the good or for the bad. And your football by Sano, but I'm a quad the Ghana for pay. Cause you can't several times before the war battle. Now the level of Ghana football ever. Anyway, be or dear football and bedroom now. Now I say, oh yeah, we are football and sir. Cause at the time not all battle. Now you say second place any day. Any good for us as Ghanaians. Cause this is a country where we've seen it all. Dear the NGA tournament Africa in terms of the Lawrence. Yeah, the KJ 4. Now Egypt no one ever. Now Cameroon no one ever. And nay, some minor better, Abesayo. And it told you could second unya refamae. In the time of 2015, Omuko PM in the final of the AFCON, Yamu Kave Kwame, ya do final lose in January. Tomorrow check Jeep Cherokee Diama and the players. No, why the cast of Yadi 2010, the same thing. Yet now all those said, no, the young players enable, but we says that despite the fact the young players, these are players that have won the Under-20 World Cup. It's a player that under 20 World Cup. Now an experienced player like Richard Kenson, Michael Essien, who are other players anymore, should be able to do well. In that level near one, not and they can't abba now pay qualification to that tournament. The Diamano, HSL football day and Sacra. I made you baby. If getting a sponsor to sponsor the Ghana Premier League, Nedi Edemai. Ben they gradually. Sunday man, this time around, come on, yeah, back into our football because the Black Queens no go answer until some go for a hot ebaye or buy making sure say Ghana air around 10 matches are not yet consider gompo now for qualification to the 2024 WAFCON near qualify every and my manager Okopi was Zambia or Koya came last ebaye beginning Najidi anyone more Benay where came last and never what my or my Ghana credit third. I think said and not the one will be because I'm not finding pain. Nemo we be ye do na and me be no dey ko do na and me abon abaso. It is say na ko do that level. Now we want to go forward. Now you cat. Now sponsorship. Yeah, see about 10 billion kwa wada won yes sir. There 10 billion all Ghana cedis. I chama class no. So mun jim fan show mu teams ni ma. And me and the right time market or say or bow out. Because say ne sponsor na abandon to the league and ne women football you qualify.
I scan a crown komo ka kra med ni chese if aban mo. Yeah.
Entina over Pramaso checks so they printing around omo an share an to the say the sponsorship ABA in 10 billion US dollars ya 3 billion the any man is some class this amount of money and from now Kwame what I say fear buy I say fear buy no e get time and say a deal near e buy and at times and how or see a convince the government and mama so e be buy into the project no. So with that we give it to him.
Sure.
So this is the time also who said they anya the love of some people who even you be adie or more no chastising and they be able about so as that do there aba and the day naka the aka say uwe ne hotel na aka na no bow out in good faith. Now the make cha say right uwe omo anei omo be ye hi e Africa na and tell leadership e omo enkan no ne bo abaso som adie. None of them came in an autocrat, and I said, no, I can't be. Or move on, no, say, or mino, airbre, ain't Yamaji or mino, infant free or more move as or mino. But mobile, as son say, or mobile, or tumbe or more than intero, and I'm a castle. Cat, Wobano, and they after say, normalization committee, every year, I will buy no. Not yet said, never end yet, and you are coming to change things. And it's when you're this and they. Turns out with Kalanda 1 month, 2 months, you want to extend your tenure to 3 terms, and then with Isa or the 29 years ever power. Besan said 1 hour to manage it in Intero. Oko, nothing, and they'll be a boy Isa to DBano. Wouldn't say kind of for good things. A kind of say, Papa now or Benya to me now, or yes, or an office that I kind of. And they do not feel be a boy to dia not for FIFA bribery scandal like no because somebody say out e no when the must come with power is that making sure say African football when on board teams and about AFCON no and the sport club or be about the that's the AFCON then they do be no need to go no and then we go say about no and now we are come and they have them cap what could rise be scan vice president. So in class and say kwa one other man and they will legacy they are stake. It is a class say kwa mamu say this is the reason why one better beko and they on my shall say suppose I understand about more. Best man Mr. Mame Sandara so there no. So Sandara. Former spokesman Edema the Ghana Football Association. I know, yeah. And also Edieni. I'm of the firm conviction that for anyone to do well as JB president you need more than 8 years. Okay. That's on the that GDN says, Obeya de Ewo, Ghana Football Association, one of the unya more than 8 years. Number 2, Ghana, my muka kakani nano. How many years are unya?
Watch
and watch it.
8.
Not Ghana football now, and only year or minor club tamu, a fella say mukikitino, and only unya more than 8 years. Wait now say, or minor team come a toda. Something for me say, and don't be young. First and chronics, and then your football me cat 1 hour to bow out on. The name go on we beche and pokuti GDNA, or be cat or no, on a beche obimbre, sa swan, letting parade, abba. But time was awkward, and they obey deal, be a automatic GD. And because 1 hour to bow out. Kwame, na, NAC. Wadamo, sa fire service phone. Amount ben ena kotokofon pay for minister or that figure omodema the Ghana fire service omo ekoye sajmori or park no so because over for the past years near camp the number of engagement the Madiba Sports Stadium enya omo say omo edi ebe stadium niye na still say do say pesca aya park niya just say ye chain man say wie no na ene a club wabehind the stadium edi ejuma ena sa club ena ne otimi ekohu the fire service for edi nsuogu park no so en kwa me kan nsuogu ebegu park no so ena said otimi enye and that body no one kwa so for step anything because tama prof chum e won na say omo enim of chumasi as a chum wadama na we prof chumasi e won mo enema no as enkoye no enei yaw amofankra as ebayan I come I say omina kwam the same script no me e follow and it is a Sunday around that session dia
mame kwa homa ne so
material
na me nim komo